Good evening, everyone. It's good to see you back. This is Smile. I'm doing our Smile Network. Back to our discussion yesterday. We have started a series of training since 3 days ago. This is the episode 3 of the training, and the training is basically presently on e-commerce. So let's continue from where we stopped. Yesterday, we tried to learn how to place order on Chris Figmore. So today, our lesson will be in two parts. The first part will be how much we can make on e-commerce, and second part will be based on another shipping agent that I want to introduce to you guys, and it's because I trust this company. That's why I want to introduce you guys to them. So their business is they take it serious. They take it serious. I love their service. I've done business with them several times, so that's why I'm referring you guys to them. So let's quickly go to what we have for today. Now, how much can we make in e-commerce? So let's start from where we stopped yesterday. Yesterday we placed an order. We bought a product, smartwatch. We bought a product, smartwatch, and that smartwatch, I think one cost 4 point something dollars, which is around 3,000 naira. Yes, if I remember very well vividly, around 3,000 something. So want to calculate it. How much are we going to spend on the whole product, and how much are we going to gain when we bring it to Nigeria and sell it in Nigeria here? So let's quickly go to that. Let me log into my account. Yes, this is my account. I'm already logging. So the product, they said unit price is $4.63, and when they do the calculation for 4 quantity, that is QTY, so 4 quantity, it cost $18.52. So when you do the calculation, the for those of you that you don't get this, please go back to episode 2 of the training. The video is there. Go to the channel, go and look for how to. It was microphone problem. So let's go back to our course. I said you should go back to the channel, go and check for episode 2 of this course, where I said start making money from e-commerce. So you will see it there, episode 2 at the front. So check it if you understand what we are saying. So now let's go back to where we stopped. Now the unit price of the product is $4.62. The quantity of the product we are buying is 4. Now the total is $18.52. Now if you calculate the whole cost, let's calculate the whole cost. Now the whole cost is $20.96. Now don't forget that the product we actually want to buy is smartwatch, if you remember, and you know how much they are selling smartwatch presently. So now the whole product is $20.98, approximately $21. So $21. Let's use our calculator to do the calculation, and let's see how much we are going to make. Here's our calculator. Okay, $21. The exchange rate is 745 naira. So this is how much we are going to buy the whole product in China. This is how much we are going to buy the whole product in China, and that is 15,645. So let me put that down. Please, I want you guys to follow me very, very well. So this is 5,645, and then our shipping fee. Let's calculate that. Our shipping fee. The exchange rate is 745 times 8. We are shipping for approximately 6,000. That is 5,960. So approximately 6,000. So 6,000. or let's just add it together. This amount plus 15,645. So we are spending 21,605 naira on your product to Nigeria. So you are buying how many smartwatch? 4 smartwatch, and you are selling for this. Oh, sorry, you bought 4 smartwatch, and the whole amount you spend on the product is 21,645. Now let's 605 naira. Let's check how much you can sell the product in Nigeria. Now let's go to our browser. Go back to your browser. Okay, go to Chrome. Okay, how much are they selling smartwatch? How much is smartwatch in Nigeria? Okay, visit. We have 6,000. Yes, this is the pack. This is how it will look like. Yes, this is how it will look like on Jumia product. Okay, smartwatch. Okay, no, this one is having iPod. You can actually order for this also. So let's look for another one. Okay, we have 13,000, one of 13,000, one of 14,000. Okay, let's check here. This one 21,000 Xiaomi, and this one is 25,000. Smartwatch 16,000. Okay, 17,000. And if you look at the product very well, you see that this is the product we order for. This is exactly the kind of product we order for. So now let's say, okay, you don't have customer to buy this thing now, just sell it at least maybe 8,000 naira. Now let's say you sell it for 8,000 naira. Now here is 16,500. Now let's now say you sell it for 8,000 naira. Now let's go back. It will be 8,000 naira plus, multiply by 4. That is 32,000 naira. 22,000 naira. You have 32,000 naira. Now remove that 21,000 naira. Remove that 21,000 naira minus 21,605. So your gain over a kg, that is 1 kg of the product you are shipping, is 3,905 naira. Now let's assume you shipped up to 5 kg or 10 kg. Even your money will be reduced. The shipping cost will be reduced, and even if you buy more products, the price of the product will reduce. You get what I'm saying? So let's now say you buy maybe 5 kg. Definitely you are getting up to 50,000 naira over a single shipping of a product. Now that's how much you can make in e-commerce. This business, it depends on how much you have. If you want to make more money, you must spend more money. You get what I'm saying? If you are going to make lesser money, you will have lesser amount in your account. You get what I'm saying? So it depends on how much you have. So I will advise you guys to look for money and go for this business. Most of you ladies, in fact, this is a great opportunity for you. There are some products that are in low masses. For example, all this light cream, chain, you get what I'm saying, perfume, all these things, they are in lightweight. If you buy them and sell them in Nigeria, oh my, you will make more money. You get what I'm saying? So that is just it. The profit is just 10,000. 395 naira. For guys that are intelligent, let me just give you this hint as bonus. There's one product I want to start selling. This oh sorry yes there's this one product I want to start selling. Then if you can venture into it, you just brand it and make it a company. Solar panel is moving at a very fast rate in this company. Before you know it, everybody is using solar panel. So you can buy this solar panel and rebrand it. You rebrand it and name it your own. Then you begin to sell. People begin to order, and then you can ask them to pay instrumentally. But one thing is sure, that your profit will be sure. You get what I'm saying? You will always see your profit. Now let's look at that product. Solar panel. Solar panel. Okay, let's check solar. Oh, network issue. Okay, now look at this one. This lamp. This is not actually this one. Jesus, when I see this thing, solar. Oh Jesus. Oh, let me check again. Solar generator. Let's check solar generator. Please, I want you guys to go with me. Oh it's not it. Yeah, I see this thing. Holy Spirit. Okay, you guys can search it by yourself. I don't think I have the picture on my phone. Solar panel. For those of you that you are interested, yes, this one. This one. Oh my God. It's not up to 1,000 naira. Looking at the it's not up to 1,000 naira. This solar panel is not up to 1,000 naira. Can you see? This is a very small solar panel for lamp and all of that. It's not up to 1,000 naira. There's one I'm looking for. Oh Jesus, I wish I see it. Okay, maybe next class I will find it and show you guys. So in this training now, our profit is what? 10,000 naira. So let's go to the next thing on the template. Yes. The part 2 of what we are going to discuss is shipping from China to Nigeria. So I want to introduce another shipping agent to you, and that is dojo1688.com. Dojo1688. You can go to your browser, type it dojo1688. You will see it on Google. So you see their review there. Actually, they don't have website. But they have a company in Lagos State. The address of the company, procurement and shipping agency in Nigeria and Ghana, blah blah blah. Okay, they said Dojo188 page, cargo and flight company. Number 5, Yenusa Adeniji of John Olugbo Street, Ikeja, Lagos. Those of you that you stay in Lagos, you can go to this area to go and confirm what I'm saying. If you need their number, I will text their number to you, so you can chat them up on WhatsApp. And how do you tell them what you want to ship? These are what they do. Number one, they help you to pay the person you want to buy from. Are you get what I'm saying? So your supplier, they will help you to pay the person. That is, if you want to buy from the person and pay the person, you are not allowing them to ship for you, so they can help you to pay. Are you get what I'm saying? And if you want to ship also, they can help you to ship, so they can help you to pay, help you to ship, and help you to secure your product also. If you want to keep your product in their warehouse for some times, so they can help you to do that also. If you want them to do a delivery for you in that same China, they can help you to do that also. So that's what they do. If you need their number, let me know. Let me give you my WhatsApp number so that you guys can contact me and let me know if you are interested. Or probably I'm going to drop their WhatsApp number. So that's what they do. I love their service. 070 11 73 16 17. This is my WhatsApp number. Just tell me, okay, I want you to send me the number for this company, and then I will send it. So you can go to my WhatsApp, text me, and if you can't do that, you can go to the description. You will see my Instagram, WhatsApp, Facebook, and all of that. So you can chat me up there. I will text you the number. So that's just it for today. If you have any other thing that you want to say, you can text me up. Please make sure you share this video. Make sure you share it with your friends and family. Don't be the only one to benefit from it. Please and please. And subscribe. Before I leave, I want to tell you the major reason why I'm doing this. See, we actually grow by lifting others. If I want to do this for money, I know how much I'm going to collect. And as a matter of fact, this is just a preamble. There are deep courses that you can do on this e-commerce. And I'm trusting God. If God will help me, well, I'm going to continue. I'm still coming to those that want to learn affiliate marketing. We are coming to that. Your own is a special case. So, what am I saying? Is that the purpose of this video, of this training, is just to build kingdom people that fear God and know God. See, if you don't know God, all these things are useless. I get what I'm saying? So please and please, this is not about money. It's about people. I get what I'm saying? Raising life of men. Poverty in this country should stop. I get what I'm saying? So the Lord will help us in Jesus' name. Do well to subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you.